Yes, student. Now, today I have defined you some other problems are also. Last time I have defined you Hermite interpolation formula. Now, we have defined you a problem of Hermite interpolation. Okay. So the question is like that. Yes, the example is determine. Yes, determine. Yes. The Hermite interpolation determine the Hermite polynomial of degree 4 in the following data. Yes. Now the data are also given as x is given as 0, 1, 2. And according to x, yx, yes, which is given as 0, 1, 0. Yes. Similarly, the term y dash x, which is given as 0, 0, and 0. Yes, the question is like that. Okay, you know, last time I have defined you the Hermite interpolation formula. So using this formula, we solve this problem. Okay, here the solution is yes. Yes, the x0, here x0 first point, which is 0. Yes, x1 you say, which is 1, x2 you say, which is 2. Yes, and y1, or you say that f of y, that is y0, or y of x0, yes, which is equal to 0, yx1, which is equal to 1, yx2, which is equal to 2, no, which is again 0. Yes. Now y dash derivative are also defined. Y dash x0, this is 0, y dash x1, which is 0, and again y dash x2, this is again is 0. Yes. Now we using the Hermite's formula. Yes, last time I have explained you all the terms, and also you find a Hermite formula. So from Hermite's formula, yes, you know that this formula, and also prove that. Yes, Hermite's formula, from Hermite's formula we know, Hermite's formula we have from Hermite's formula we have, yes, we have the formula is, last time we have defined it, px is equal to, yes, 1 minus 2 times, here data is 1, 2, this one, this one, this one. Yes, so this term can be written as 1 minus 2 times L dash, yes, 0, x0, yes, x minus x0, yes, and multiplied by L0x. This is the Lagrange interpolation, yes, L0x, this whole square, and y of x0, yes, plus x minus x0, yes, L0x whole square, and also y dash x0. Yes, for the first term, and similarly for the next 0 and next one. Yes, here the three terms. So 1 minus 2 L1 dash x1 x minus x1. Okay, and here is L1 x whole square and y of x1. Yes, and this plus, yes, this plus x minus x1. Yes, L1x whole square y dash x1. Similarly for the third term, yes, plus 1 minus 2 times, yes, 1 minus 2 times L2 dash x2. Yes, and x minus x2. Yes, and also L2x whole square, and again here is y x2. Yes, plus x minus x2, and here is again L2x whole square and y dash x2. Yes, we term this Hermite formula. Here for the data is this one 0, 1, 2. So for 0, substituting first one is sigma for the sigma term. So here is 1 to here you prove the term from 0 to n. Here the terms are only 3. So we use x0. First term is this one, next term is this one, and next term is this one. This one. Yes, next term is this one. Okay. Now using the formula data, that is using all the values, yes, substituting all the values, you know all these values x0, x1, yes, substituting all the values, yes, substituting all the values in px, we get now where x0 0, yes, so substituting this term and this term, you know all these terms, yes, you get px is equal to, you can solve it. Okay, this you get 1 minus 2 L1 dash x1, yes, this term, and x minus x1, yes, and this multiplied by L1 dash L1x, this whole square, yes, you get this term. Because all those values are here given. Actually in this data you have seen there all these values are 0, 0, 0, so on. So you have the term only this one. 1 minus 2 L dash 1 x1, x minus x1, bracket close, and L1x. Yes. Now the question is, you have to find out Lagrange interpolation, which is this one. Yes, you know the Lagrange interpolation, last type you have also defined. Yes, so where L1x here only for 1. Yes, so L1x, yes, this is equal to x minus x0 and x minus x2 divided by x1 minus x0 and x1 minus x2. Yes, last time you have also solved so many problems for the Lagrange interpolation. So you get, substituting these values, you get this is equal to 2x minus x square. This is L1x. You can easily substituting x0, x2, these values you substituting, you know all values, you get this. Okay, yes, clear, students? Okay, this one, L1x is this one. Okay, now, but here is again dash of this is, so differentiated this. If you differentiate L1 dash x, then this is equal to, yes, then this is 2x2 minus 2x, yes, but at a point here is x1, so at a point x is equal to x1, so this is the point, this become x is equal to x1, or you say that 2 minus 2x1, yes, you get 2x1 which is equal to, you get which is equal to x1 is, here you see, yes, x1 you see here is 1, yes, so this term become, yes, this term become 2 minus 2x1, that is this term become 0. Okay, so the term, remaining the term, this term becomes 0, so you get only this term, yes, this term you get only this term becomes 0, 1 minus 0, that is 1 multiplied by this term, so you get px is equal to, so px is equal to only this one, and this term is this one, yes, then which is 2x minus x square, yes, whole square, yes, actually this is the Harvard interpolation. Yes, students, so all these types of the problem you can solve easily. Okay, students, thank you. Next time I have also defined some other problems of this interpolation. Okay.